This is the best way to stream music, back up your DJ library, and have it ready for DJing in a car, train, club, and more with any device. So be it in the streets of Taiwan to the streets of New York, DJing and preparing tracks anywhere now is easier than ever before with Algorithm DJ's integration with Apple Music. So in this video, we'll talk about that, plus 3 new DJ features that make DJing better than ever. So first of all, it's worth mentioning that DJay runs on Apple devices, as well as Windows and Android, and this Apple Music integration works seamlessly on all platforms, including the Apple Vision Pro. So boasting a catalog of over 100 million songs, Apple Music ensures that all tracks stream instantly when loaded onto a deck. And just like any other song, these tracks can be cue-pointed, looped, and more. Let me give you an example. With DJay up on my iPhone, let's tap on the Apple Music source and log in via Face ID. With that done, let's access Apple Music and make a playlist. So let's start by searching for some songs and adding them to a playlist. And let's name this playlist Mix. Now let's add a few more songs. With our playlist complete, let's go back to DJay, refresh Apple Music, and access our Mix playlist. And there you have it. The playlist we just made is there. Now let's load up each song and cue point them. And with that done, let's access this playlist on my MacBook. And as you can see, the cue points we added from our iPhone are here. Now on Apple Music, let's add a new playlist into our library. So let's select this playlist and click these 3 dots here and select Add to Library. And just like that, this playlist is available on our MacBook, Android, iPhone, iPad, and Vision Pro. This feature makes preparing tracks so much easier and convenient from any device. This means you can prepare tracks and playlists on the go anywhere and have everything ready for you when it's time to DJ. In addition to that, Apple Music's Match feature can also suggest music based on what you're playing and what you've played. This way, you'll always have an idea of what to play next, and could even discover new music while chilling out or even DJing on the fly. Now, a DJ's lifeblood is their music, and the biggest problem any DJ can face is losing all the tracks they've accumulated and cue-pointed for years. Yes, backing up libraries is what most DJs do, but it's still no guarantee that files will be safe forever. Accidents can still happen. Although we can stream tracks and even DJ with them, wouldn't it be better if we could not only just do that, but also stream and download our DJ library anywhere, ensuring that our ability to DJ is never challenged? Well, Apple Music's cloud feature solves it. This feature enables you to upload your entire DJ library, comprising up to 100,000 songs, along with other cue points and metadata, into the cloud, and sync it across all your devices. And in case an emergency happens...
Hey man, here's your phone.
Thanks. Dude! You're not confined to your own device. Just by having an account with DJay, you can access your music simply by logging in into any device, be it a friend's or a stranger's. Lastly, you don't always have to be online to play your music. You can also download your tracks so you can play them offline. So let me show you how Apple Music's cloud feature works. Here's the playlist I prepared on Serato DJ, and this exact playlist is also accessible here on our DJay app's My Crates tab. Now let's import our 2 tracks into our Apple Music library. So with the Apple Music app active, right-click on the song and DJ that you wish to import. Then select Show in Finder. Then grab the track and drag it to Apple Music's library. Then repeat this process for the other tracks. With that done, let's access Apple Music on our DJay app on our MacBook and stream those songs. As you can see, the cue points we made are there. Now let's open up DJay on my iPhone and stream a few tracks via Apple Music. And there you have it. All the cue points I made are all there. Let's move on to downloading these songs into our iPhone using the Apple Music app. So just select the song and press download. Now, let's verify the playability of these tracks by disconnecting from the internet. So back in DJay, Apple Music should be inaccessible, but the downloaded tracks can be accessed via the local music source, so let's load them both up and mix. As you can see, these downloaded tracks are playable and have all their cue points. Additionally, since these songs were uploaded from our personal music collection, we're able to utilize DJay Pro's Neural Mix Stem feature And this also applies to songs purchased from the Apple Music store. The only drawback of using Apple Music is the inability to use stems on streaming tracks, which is currently an issue for almost all streaming services. But hopefully, this is only for now, as you never know what future updates may bring. And speaking of updates, Algorithm DJay has 3 amazing features that make DJing way better. So the first is Crossfader Fusion. So Crossfader Fusion allows you to add effects to your crossfading, such as Lunar Echo, Filter, and so much more.
I got this shit that you've been waiting for. Get your hands up when the beat go. Let me get a bass line for the people. I got this shit that you've been waiting for. Ladies, leave those hands up now.
To add to that, Tempo Blend also syncs your track's BPMs together while you crossfade, so you can make a massive BPM transition jump simply by using the crossfader in DJay Pro. But my favorite Crossfader Fusion effect is Vocal Cut, and it works best when you're trying to scratch in the vocal section of the next song while the current song is playing. So using the crossfader in tandem with scratching essentially allows you to specifically scratch the vocal section of the next song, making transitions like this possible.
Get your hands up when the beat go. Ladies, leave those hands up. I got this shit that you've been waiting for. Ladies, leave those hands up. Let me get a bass line for the people. Ladies, leave those hands up. That you've been waiting for. Ladies, leave those hands up now, fellas.
The second is Fluid Beat Grid, and this feature helps ensure that your beat grid is always smack dab on beat, even if the song's actual tempo fluctuates, like with disco, rock, jazz, and transition tracks. And finally, we have Neural Mix 2.0, teaming up with Audio Shake, a company renowned for its precision in stem separation, so much so that some record labels use them for track remastering. DJay Pro has leveled up its stems game. And if you guys want to take advantage of all these updates, watch this video next.